Hello and welcome to HidePay. Today we are going to see how to create a customization to prevent cash on delivery for expensive orders. Let's go. The first thing we need to do is to click on Create Customization. In the window that opens, choose Simple Customization. In the Conditions field, choose Cart Total, and in the window below, you can decide to consider the cart total or the cart subtotal. In the following window, you can select Is Greater Than or Is Less Than. In our case, select Is Greater Than and set the value to Euro 4,000. Confirm the option to hide the payment method you are selecting, then activate the switch for cash on delivery, and save. Let's check the rule in our cart. There is cash on delivery as option. As I update the page and the total SI above 4,000 euro, the rule hides cash on delivery as I had set. Always remember that you can activate or deactivate the rule from the dashboard with a simple click. Ready to transform your checkout and empower your customers? Install HidePay from the Shopify App Store today.